All right, Friday morning. Mädchen should be here about 8 or so to pick up the car and go over everything else. Kind of go over the list together. She sent me some things last night that I, bullet points, organized. We like it. So I just wanted to do a cold start, see how this thing behaves now that we adjusted things. So I'm going to give it 3 full pumps. And let's see if she stays alive. Well, she's cantankerous, but and the high idle doesn't work, which I'm more than likely assuming is part of that voltage issue, and a little more choke adjustment, but that is better than it cold started when it was here for sure. I mean, you guys saw the video when we got it running. So all right, not too shabby. I'm gonna let her warm up and move this baby outside and have it ready to go. I like it.